way I like. I get the type of feeling when I touch them too. Only want you to be
And now,
if you fuck me, then fuck you. And that's the way I like it. That's the way I like it. And that's the way I like it. That's the way I like it.
hindi talaga ganyan. Ay.
That's the way I like it.
Tara na, tayo naman 5. Ang ina, parang di ako nakikita. Ang ina nyo ah.
Inamen ako yung kasi may nakaupo.
Ayan oh. Kasi matangkad ka naman eh.
Ako nakapost na ako dito eh.
Hindi nakikita yung sapatos ko, Bi. Kailangan nakikita yan. Pak.
Sweet
Pak.
girl.
Pakak. Pak. Oh, pak. Madam. Madam Damin. Tang ina.
Kita ka dito.
Oh. Para kang Portugisa. Saan tayo kakain? May nagugutom na ako. Hindi pa tayo kumakain eh.
Hi guys! So we're now in, ano kasi tawag dito? Ruins of St. Paul's in Macau. Yun lang. Totoo ba yun talaga na historical,
Kasi partner pala siyang UST. Yung kapag dinaanan mo.
So,
hindi ka na makagraduate.
hindi pa kami nagla-lunch, but we're kind of full because we ate a lot of beef jerky along the way. Gusto na namin pumunta sa Starbucks.
Hindi kasi nabusog kami sa sa dami ng pre-taste kanina.
Kasi nauhaw kami sa beef jerky. Puro
yung lunch. Hindi na kami magla-lunch.
yung beef jerky. Kaya pala tayo
Ang alat. Oo, napasa sa atin.
Tara,
Pero 72.
punta na tayo ng Starbucks!
She's fun too, but I want to. She's fun too, but I want you.
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Still not understanding this logic. Hey, I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever.
156 natin, di ba?
Uy, bababa na tayo ah.
Pili by 3. 156 by 3. Pili ko ba doon yan naiwan saan? Basta nag-picture-picture kami dito.
Nagdala pa siya nun eh. Nasa camera. Ang dami mo raw kasi nakain in 3 days. Hindi ko alam gago.
Kita? Kinanap ko pa yung ano, te. Yung sa camera, gagawin ako kung plastic talaga. Sabi ko, hindi ko lalapag si pagkain, te. Race pa namin, te.
Lalamig ka na.
Bagay, pero chicken skin na siya. Oh, hindi, precipitation.
Ala, nagalit! Tangin na, hidden spot na naman yung pupuntahan natin. Gago talaga. Grabe naman sa pagkahabol.
Kaya. Diba?
Anong floor po?
Ganon ka ba?
Sa elevator, girl.
Ano, car?
Ano rin, mga ganon.
Tapos nag-chewing gum.
Cashier?
Okay. Sana makapag-asawa ako na taga dito. Pero parang ang lungkot, no? Parang ang lungkot dito, no? Or di lang natin alam yung mga pasikot-sikot pa. Yung mga tambayan. Hindi katulad sa atin na, putang ina mo! Aga pala, may nag-aaway niyo. Ina yun, nagsabihan ko na kayo na huwag niyong paalisin.
Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up. Somebody's on next up. Be damn if I let them catch up. It's easy to see that you're fed up. I am on a...
Sabi sa. Sabi naman siya sa akin, no?
Be damn if I let them catch up. It's easy to see that you're fed up. I am on a whole nother level. Girl, he only fucked you over cause you let him. Fucking girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any effort. Do all I can just to show you you're special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. Lately you say he been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up the skirt, get in the right. Left hand is steering, the other is gripping your thigh. Light up a spliff and get high. Shawty, you deserve what you've been missing. Looking at you, I'm thinking he must be tripping. Play this song for him, I'm just listening.
Kumbaga ano lang yan. Kumbaga timing is the right term. Over naman. Ganyan ang magkakaibigan. Ito nga pala si photographer. Yan ang putang ina. At ito ang modelo. Si Ate Yoko. At ito naman ang ating production team.
Makipag-away ka.
Sa call center, paano ka nun sa Alorica?
Hello, so we are done at Macau.
Yeah, we're done and I'm so tired as fuck and I'm hungry.
We haven't eaten.
Nagagalit na si Gilbert.
Yes.
because
Grumpy na siya, grumpy sobra.
Oh.
Grumpy na joke.
Cut! Okay, take 2. So Gilbert is not here because it's so cold and chilly.
I'm so hungry.
I'm going to ask you if you're going to go back here. Would you go back here?
I'm gonna go back here and I'm gonna check in here.
Oh,
yeah.
So rich.
It's not gonna be just my background. You know, me, I'm not gonna check in here. It's so hard to go out.
How about the people?
They're just
just
everywhere
doing their own
and
thing.
they're doing their own thing. It's okay. There's a lot of photo spots.
And now we're going to look for a bus going back to our town, which is Hong Kong.
Yeah.
Our home.
our town, our
Hometown.
place.
Not my hometown, but I know
My place.
Hello, grabe. Ang ganda pala pag nakaganyan. Mukha kang baksigero. Mag-CR ka muna, Bes, doon sa Venetian. Hintay ka namin dito. Ba, ilang oras na buntang Macau Port?
100 minutes. 561.
30 minutes. Tapos, pagbaba natin doon, bus papuntang Hong Kong, di ba? Right? Ganda.
Ian Mark.
Ayan na, gago. Ayan na siya.
Ito yung Ian Mark, oh.
Hindi talaga ganyan. Ay. Makakontaminate yan, tangik. Ibig sa 2 months yan, 2 weeks lang yan.
2 weeks ka
2 hours. 2 hours best.
2 weeks sa hospital, be, mas malaki pa yung ginastos mo kaya sa mo, be, binili mo dyan. Kung hindi ka na lang nagdamot, kung pinairam mo na lang yung kindness, yung kind-hearted mo, yung courageousness, yung compassion,
Oo, ito parang section.
yung purity. Section namin ng grade 8.
Section na nung high school. Hindi makarelate sila yung private.
Private ka kasi, no? Norsagaray Private School. Alam mo ba, nagugutom na talaga ako. Pasa is Lubong. Is this the bus for Macau Port? Pungputong. Pungputong. Sorry. Yes, Resort Macau. Sabi ko, maburi siya, sabi ko rin. Wala, maganda pala siya pag nightingale. Guys, I memorize it. You know what? Oh my God, there's a wiggle in essence. Oh, there is a buzzing and the zizz on the go. Binagugutom na talaga ako. Oh my God, it's so cold here. I feel like living New York. Walking in the Manhattan Street or the Cornelia Street. Bes, sige na, Bes. Ikita naman kayo sa video ko. Ganun talaga, binabago na ng pera. Samantala dati na, madami naman siyang pera sa government and everything, ganyan-ganyan. Sana di tayo nagpapadala-dala sa mga pagbabago ng ganyan. Wala, I love it, I love it here. Like, it's so not crowded and stuff like that.
Said it keeps on playing games, and it's love and ain't the same. I don't know what to say, but what a shame. If you were mine, you would not get the same. If you were mine, you would top everything. Suicide in the drop, switching lanes in a thing. Slow fire, baby, no propane. Got good pussy, girl, can I be
Kakapal mo ka mo. Kakapal mo ko. Bakit? Sayang yung ano mo, Bes.
Sino ka kanina mo ko nakita to? Ay, sa tingin ako.
May dila yun eh, may dila.
Yung popular ba, no? Kaya pala favorite mo yun. Pala favorite mo yun.
Bipingin ko pinipinin. Hindi yung likod niyan.
Oo, nasa Tagalog. Hindi na.
Tali mo kabayan. May applyan. I can do call center. Ano ganun?
Hindi, pinaad ko lang.
Yun talaga siya. Alam mo, akin yung isa. Parang,
Look at this. Harap ka dito. Look at this.
Yung sayang ano.
Wow, ganda! Sana mawala yan.
Oh, binibigilan mo.
Ganda, Bing!
Baka may sumuntok ka.
Ganalaway na god.
Hala, ang dami oh.
Uy, hindi sa akin yan. Sila dalawa yung nakatikets. Bye-bye.
Hala, wala nga akong gagawin. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Nadali mo sa Disney yan, te?
Magdadala akong extra.
Sponsored by me.
Hindi, I mean yung iPad.
Hindi.
Yum, bes.